Hey guys, a little update on restorations and those UNUNs. I want to do temperature testing and show you guys the SWR plots on various bands of both of those multi-tap UNUNs, okay? But I got a problem, man, and it's got to stop right now. See my little Panavice tripod. Well, I use it when I record all that crap that I've been recording, like my tips for noobs, you know? Dang, man. I got another list of tips for newer CW ops, and hang on, man. Now I'm going to bring you with me because it's very exciting. Look at this crap, man. Hang on. Hang on. Let me get some light in here, man. Well, hang on, man. There we go. Look at this crap. Oh, and I started on the power supply babble in project. You know, hey man, enough. Enough. Because we've got to turn that over and take a look at the underneath side, the underneath side of the VFO. It'll take 5 minutes. There's like 3 resistors. I want to measure them with you and see how far they've drifted over the decades. I don't have to do that with every Heathkit with you, but I want to at least once since there's so few components in the old boy. And because what I really want to do, I've got this DX60 on the shelf in this HR10B receiver, and I promised you guys that we'd take a look-see at the top side and the bottom side, and yeah, see how clean they are, see what things might need to be fixed or replaced. We'll loosey up those wafer switches together. Man, I got plans, man. I got plans. But what have I? Garbage. Junk. What have I? Oh, you trying to hide, Al? A good friend, Al. Terrifying imagery on my desktop PC, which, by the way, is a video editing monster that I've never used for video editing because I'd rather sit in the ham area. Yeah, so that's my plans, man. That will be the next video I do. I'm going to see my brother Art in Dayton tomorrow. It'll be a couple days, but that's the next video I'm going to do. And the one after that, just a nice look inside. No troubleshooting, no component. We need to look inside and see what we're dealing with, man. Right? After that, I'll take an UNUN break. We'll look at the UNUNs, and then we'll do the same to the to my HW16, the very first real radio I ever had. Thank you, Mom and Dad. And if you're a newer CW op, that was my first electronic keyer. Heathkit. It's not iambic. That's a single paddle, right? Push it to the right for dits, das. You want to send a C? It's a back and forth, da 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 da. Not like my next keyer, my Heathkit iambic, where a C, you could still do the back and forth swipe, da 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 da. But if you want the magic of iambic key, a squeeze, da 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 da. Those are my plans for my next few videos. Okay, and I want to do a thank you, a heartfelt thank you for a couple items. Portable paddles, if you will. Code practice oscillator. Heathkit. Oh man, it'll go so perfectly with that. Thanks for watching. I'm babbling now, and I better call it. 73, take care. Good luck. Be well.